National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 92, effective until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Leon and Robertson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
John, did you catch the tail end of that? Did you catch the tail end of what just happened?